What's going on, you guys? Becca Switzer with Roof Sales Mastery, author of Diamonds in the Sky. And I've been brainstorming all day long, really all week long here during this whole COVID-19 situation for you guys, because I'm thinking about big picture, like everything that's going on, everybody that's affected by this. And in the last few videos that I've shared, I've been talking about how, as a business owner, this whole situation with like the government lockdown and businesses being shut down and people probably not going to have jobs to return to in a lot of industries after this, your opportunity as a storm restoration roofing contractor and business owner to recruit is going to be massive after this. People are not going to have jobs to return to in a lot of instances. They're going to be really desperate for money. And our industry is like, it's not going to go away, right? Customers don't even pay for our product. Insurance pays for it. Storms aren't going to stop happening, yada, yada, yada. You can check out my other videos prior to this. I look exactly the same because they're all recorded in the same day. So look up those. But here's what I wanted to plant in your minds right now. I keep talking about how this is the time for you to really be preparing for when everything goes back to normal, right? So whenever the gates are reopened and we get the go ahead to go back to work business as usual, what you're doing right now during the time that we're kind of sitting ducks in a big way is going to impact your opportunity and how your momentum moves you forward when the gates reopen. So right now, we have incredible technology available to us. Zoom meeting, FaceTime, all of that stuff, right? So right now, the people that can't go to work, guess what they're doing? Sitting at home watching TikTok videos, worrying about their job security. So what if you guys began recruiting people for the roof sales gig now? They don't have anything to lose, and you can literally do my new hires training program live via Zoom, just like you would do if you were at the office, right? You can send them the PDF link for the sales manual, which normally you'd print out and hand them in the classroom at your office, but they can download that. They can keep it on their computer even and go over it. So over the next couple weeks here, as business owners, you should be recruiting people. They're going to be desperate for a way to be able to make money right away as soon as they can, right? So take this time. Like, I'm so excited about this idea right now. I'm sitting here trying to wind down for the night, but I was like, no, this is a good idea. My contractors have to know this. So here's what I recommend. One, reaching out to your current network. Send out some text messages, put out a post on your Facebook and your network and say, look, I know a lot of my friends and family have been curious about what I do, in the roof sales business, and a lot of you guys are worried about your income after this. What if I could teach you how to sell roofs right now from the comfort of your couch at home under quarantine? And when all of this blows over finally, you'll have the opportunity as a fully educated roof salesperson to come and make $1,000 a roof with me. That is a real opportunity. And if you're not seizing that right now, it'd be a wasted opportunity, I'm telling you. So if you're a business owner, I would recommend at least a couple of things. Well, honestly, the best thing would be to do the all-inclusive business owners package, but at a bare minimum, the new hires training program would be what you'd be training your team on for their basic training, right? Their classroom training, that's a 5-day training. Then having something to give them access to, like the advanced sales training program or the accelerator, so that they can self-study after they've graduated new hires training and get themselves prepared, would be so brilliant. And I'm telling you right now, once the gates reopen and people want to make money again and work, you will have put yourself in such a brilliant position. But that opportunity is happening right now. It doesn't happen after the gates reopen and people are just looking for regular jobs. They're sitting at home right now. They can be trained right now. They can study right now. They have time. They're not working 40 hours a week at their other job. Please seize this. I want you guys to succeed, and I know that this is going to be huge. So, as always, subscribe to my YouTube channel here. Check out my programs at roofsalesmastery.com. I'm going to be sending out more emails. If you're not on my list, I really encourage you to do so. You can sign up right there on roofsalesmastery.com. But let's do this. This is a crazy opportunity for the storm restoration industry, and it'll be amazing for us to be able to provide opportunity to people who don't have financial stability because their jobs were affected by COVID-19. So, as always, thanks for watching. Keep it crunchy. I'm going to keep pumping out great content for you guys, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye.